Everyone wants to talk about the Pillar 2 calculation engine.
Which is fair. The rules are technical.
The formulas are scary. There are acronyms everywhere.
But in real projects, the calculation is not usually where things first break.
It breaks earlier, at the data stage. Picture a tiny tax person walking into a project meeting with one simple dream. Can I please have the numbers? And then finance says, which numbers? IT says, which system? Local teams say, which version? And someone quietly opens a spreadsheet called Final, Really Final, version 7.xlsx. This is where Pillar 2 gets interesting. Not because people are careless. Usually everyone is trying. The problem is that Pillar 2 needs data that was never designed for Pillar 2. ERP data was designed for accounting. Consolidation data was designed for group reporting. HR data was designed for people costs. Local tax files were designed for local filing. And now Pillar 2 walks in and says, great, I need all of that, across countries, with adjustments, by entity, on time, an explainable layer. That is not just a calculation problem. That is a data ownership problem. It is a process problem. It is a system problem. And sometimes it is a nobody knows who owns this field problem. So before a company asks, which software should we buy? It should probably ask, where does the data come from? Who owns it? Who checks it? What changes before it reaches tax? And what happens when someone asks, 6 months later, why did we use this number? The calculation engine matters. But it is the last runner in the relay. If the data handoff is messy, the engine just calculates the mess faster. That is the uncomfortable little truth of Pillar 2. The hard part is not only knowing the rule, it is building a repeatable way to get trustworthy inputs before the deadline eats everyone alive. Pillar 2 has calculations. But your first real question is not, can the tool calculate? It is, can the organization feed it something worth calculating?